Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Santa Fe tire pressure light. First, ensure all your tires are properly inflated to the recommended pressure, usually around 30 to 35 psi. Then, try driving your Santa Fe at a consistent speed, like 50 miles per hour, for about 10 to 20 minutes. This often allows the system to recalibrate itself and turn off the warning light. It's the simplest first step to take. If driving doesn't work, some Santa Fe models feature a manual reset button. Look for it under the dashboard, often near the driver's knee. With the ignition on, press and hold this button until the tire pressure light flashes 3 times, then release. Another trick is to overinflate each tire by about 3 psi above the recommended level, then deflate them back to the correct pressure. This can sometimes wake up the sensors. For more persistent lights, advanced methods might be necessary. A professional scan tool, available at most auto shops, can directly read and clear TPMS fault codes. Alternatively, you can try disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. This can sometimes perform a hard reset on the car's computer, including the tire pressure monitoring system. Remember to ensure the vehicle is off before attempting this. If after trying all these steps, your tire pressure light remains illuminated, it's time to consult a professional. Especially if the light is flashing, this indicates a system malfunction rather than just low pressure. A qualified technician can use specialized diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact issue, whether it's a faulty sensor, wiring problem, or another component within the tire pressure monitoring system. Your safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.